Is it possible to expand a 2 GB memory card to 16 GB? Yes, it's possible using e-compression technology. Watch this video to how to do it. First of all, download the SDATA software from my video description. After that, extract the RAR file and connect your USB or memory card. Then open SDATA folder and run SDATA tool as administrator. It's very important because it's not work without run as administrator. Now you can see SDATA software is running. Now select your USB path on this software. My USB path is E, so I select E as this software path. Then click on 8 GB and press E compress now. Now wait few minutes. Also, a important notice is don't close this software or disconnect your memory card or pen drive because it will damage your memory card or pen drive. After completion, you will get a message like this. Click OK and close this software. Now you can see the memory card is expanded to 8 GB from 4 GB. You can repeat this process to convert the 8 GB memory card to 16 GB.